everyone. I am Dr. Heinz Doofenshmirtz. I know I look a lot different than I did back when I was on the show Phineas and Ferb. Well, yeah, a lot of things have happened and this is where I am. It's a long story of how I got here after 8 years of fighting a fake platypus and always failing in life in my apartment back in the tri-state area in Danville. But eventually I decided to become a documentarian after becoming very good at science. I decided that I should take everything that I learned and put it into one documentary that I'm sure everyone will enjoy. So, let's get right into it. Also, before we get into the documentary, I tried to find all the plants that you guys suggested that I talked about in this video, but I couldn't, so I had to use pictures that I've taken over the years of my studies. But I still hope that you enjoy my documentary. These are Transvaal daisies. They are scientifically known as the Gerbera Jameson. They are a genus of plants in the Asteraceae. They were named after Traugott Gerber, a botanist and medical doctor from Germany. At night, they discharge oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide and other toxins found in the air. They are native to tropical regions of South America, Africa, and Asia. They reproduce asexually and are perennial. The plant produces tall, colorful flowers in season and are either red, yellow, pink, or orange. The next group of plants that we're going to be discussing are a group of begonia cultivars called the Begonia tuberosa. They are regarded as some of the most spectacular of the genus. They grow best in partial shade or filtered sunlight. Excessive exposure to sunlight can result in burnt flowers and leaves. Too much shade, however, will result in lush foliage and few flowers. Next, we will be discussing the French hydrangea. It is our third plant and it is a beautiful flower. They are a species of flowering plant in the family Hydrangeaceae, native to Japan. It is a deciduous shrub growing to 2 meters by 2.5 meters with large heads of pink or blue flowers in summer and autumn. Blue flowers are produced in acidic soil, while pink flowers are usually produced in alkaline soils. Now we will move on to talking about trees. Do you like trees? Me too. This tree is called a western juniper. It is a shrub or tree native to the western United States. Did you know that the western junipers grow in mountains at altitudes of 800 to 3,000 meters and rarely down to 100 meters? Pretty cool, am I right? They are known scientifically as Juniperus occidentalis. They live usually on dry, rocky sites where there is less competition from larger species. There are 3 varieties of them called the Western, Bennett, and Sierra junipers. Scientifically known as Pisces sitchensis, the spruce is a large coniferous evergreen tree growing to almost 330 feet tall with a trunk diameter at breast height that can exceed 16 feet. It is by far the 5th largest conifer in the world. It is one of the few species to reach 299 feet in height. The bark is thin and scaly. It is a long-lived tree, with individuals over 700 years old known. It is of major importance for timber and paper production. Sometimes near the ocean they develop burls. And last but not least, we have the Eustoma russellianum. It is a species of flowering plant in the gentian family, previously known as the Eustoma grandiflorum, which it was its binomial name. Its higher classification is a prairie gentian. It sadly brings a lot of diseases with it. It has blue-green waxy leaves and showy bell-shaped flowers in blue, pink, or white, each borne singly on an upright plant. It may be present as an annual, biennial, or perennial plant. It is found in the Great Plains region. Alright guys, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this documentary. I learned a lot over the years and I had to show you everything I've learned in the past 11 years and my experiences in the science area.